Everybody, my name is Mlok. Today we're doing an unboxing with a brand new KRYTAC AEG. It's been kind of a long time since I played Airsoft, and I've been saving up while Corona has been going around. So today we're opening a brand new KRYTAC TRIDENT SPR-M version for Mlok Mark II. So let's open the box. Inside the box, what you get is we'll see. Inside the box you get the manual. So that's a manual for the SPR and CRB version, Mlok versions. For example, if we compare this rifle to my older rifle, the length of it is 416mm compared to the G&G CM16, which was my starter and first AG, which is 240mm, so it's almost double the length. This is a full metal build, so it has quite a weight to it. It weighs, according to the paper, it weighs 2.6 kilograms. Out of the stock, it should normally perform with an FPS around 380 FPS. Now here in Belgium, that isn't allowed. It's too powerful and too high, so I had to downgrade it. I changed the spring to a M100 spring, which brought the FPS down to 340 to 350 on 0.2 gram BBs. Overall, it's ambidextrous. It has a functional bolt catch. It's rotary hop up, so bolt catch here. Satisfying, very satisfying. It has a very known KRYTAC stock. Can see. It also has a signal up here to show you which length you are, so it has up to 6, as you can see. Now if you want to compare the size to my older model, my G&G, compared to my older model, my G&G, it's almost this is its size, so it's quite longer, as you can see, the inner barrel as well as the outer barrel, but this is just a flash hider. The flash hider is in metal, by the way, here in Europe. Just did the old testing of if it's cold or not. Yeah, this is also cold, so it's fully metal build, except the grip and the stock. Other than that, it works with a Dean's connector, which is brand new for me, so I had to buy a new battery because I normally have a Tamiya connector. I bought the Titan. Now inside the box, which I didn't know at the time up till now, there's apparently an adapter. So if you do have Tamiya batteries and you don't want to spend that much on a Dean battery like Titan power, etc., don't worry, there is an adapter. Inside the box you have a free Mlok rail accessory, front and back iron sights with official markings of KRYTAC, of course, which is nice for aesthetic version. Now if you compare the key mod version and the Mlok, inside the box you get, instead of a high cap, a mid cap. You get the KRYTAC mid cap, which has an indicator if it only has 30 more BBs left and if it's empty. So it's pretty much just like the EPM ones, except the EPM ones feel more sturdy, more robust, and more durable. Other than that, it's still nice. It also has a stipple grip on it, you know. But majority of the people, they wear gloves, so the stipples doesn't really matter. But hey, it's a mid cap, so that's nice. We can use it. I don't have to throw the high cap if it was a high cap, which I kind of expected it would be, but it's a mid cap now. Now, wait up. Let me check my timer. Okay, I still have 2 more minutes. If we compare the SPR-M to a G&G, for example, this is the noise of it. Of course, always wear safety glasses or goggles. You never know. So this is the sound. When you shoot it, your hand has a little recoil vibration, so that's kind of nice. And it also sounds more crisp. It has a 30K high torque motor inside. The Gearbox is a Gen 2 with a special anti-corrosion coating. Now compared to the G&G, this is how it sounds like. G&G makes more noise, but it doesn't sound as crisp or nice compared to the KRYTAC, which is kinda obvious as price-wise. G&G is more budget-friendly for beginners, which I started as, whereas the KRYTAC, which is more like mid to high-end. Put inside a EMP1 mag inside the KRYTAC. This is how it looks like. We just in the sun. This is how it looks like. It has a little wobble to it, but that's okay. Now I tried putting a G&G mag inside, but the G&G mag is fits kind of tight. There's no wobble at all. So to take it out, it's kind of hard, which I don't want to do anymore because it might add some scratches to the mag as well as the inside, as it's fully metal, because it's very tight. I also have a basic cheap mag that I could have bought here in Belgium. It's the cheapest you can buy. It's an Aries M4 mag. Also fits nicely. Has more wobble than the EPM, but still, it's good. I mean, it still looks nice. I mean, look at it. So yeah. Other than that, that was pretty much for the review for this time. I'll be uploading a gameplay footage later on this month. If you want to see it, and if you enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, subscribe for more, and hit that ring bell notification if you want to get notified when I upload the gameplay. Either way, this is Watcher 6. This is my first KRYTAC and the KRYTAC Trident SPR-M version or unboxing. And thank you for watching. Signing out.